18-year-old plaintiff Amber Brooks is suing her former friend for a cell phone cancellation fee and defamation of character. Amber claims the defendant tried to turn their friends against her by spreading lies about her. Defendant Tiana Pinkston insists Amber is the one who spread the lies, and Tiana denies having anything to do with their friends turning their backs on Amber.
Today we have the case of Amber Brooks, who is suing Tiana Pinkston for a cancellation fee for a cell phone and defamation. Why don't you tell us, Amber, why you're here today?
So I met Tiana Pinkston on my senior year of high school. We basically exchanged numbers, became friends, started off text messaging, then it turned into phone calls. I couldn't really remember her name, so I started calling her T, as she would call me A. So slowly it turned into a little clique at our school. Me, her, and a couple of other girls turned into the one letter B's.
Why would you want to call yourself such a degrading name?
It turned into, that was like the name of the group.
Did you sanction the name of the group as the B group?
The one letter B group.
The one letter B group. Mm-hmm. Why? Okay, T. Why would you, do you think that calling your group the B's is like a term of endearment?
I wouldn't say that it is.
But why? That's such a degrading term.
In high school, you know, just crazy stuff. So that's, you know.
All right, go ahead.
Then it joined into other ones such as M. And then it was a couple of other girls who were also part of our group. So it was pretty exclusive because once there was a T, there no longer can be another T in our group. So if there's
not like T squared or T to the
no T squared, just one T.
The third.
So with that, me and Tiana had gotten close. During my senior year of high school, I basically gained my independence. I was living by myself. I was basically doing my own thing. In a way, I feel like Tiana saw me doing my own thing and wanted to do her own thing. She saw I could do stuff that other seniors couldn't do, and she wanted to do that.
That's a good thing, isn't it?
Yes, in a way, until she turned into my single white female. When I got the tattoo, Tiana wanted the tattoo. When I got a phone, Tiana got the phone. When I was talking to a boy, Tiana was trying to talk to the boy. So after that, that's when she basically was having problems at home. A family member cut off her cell phone, and that's when I felt sorry for Tiana. All I kept hearing was, I get off work at 12 o'clock at night. How am I going to get home with no phone? Something could happen to me. Oh, I can't talk to this person.
Did you say that? Did you ask her for a phone?
I was asking her if she could get me a contract. So
Why can't you get your own contract?
I'm old enough for one.
At the time you were 17?
Mm-hmm.
And what did you say to her?
Well, I did say that I needed a phone, but I didn't get off work at 12 o'clock. And it's just, I really wanted a phone. Did
you give her a phone?
I got her a phone under my name, under my contract.
And was there any kind of a side agreement indicating that she would reimburse you in any way, shape, or form?
The phone wasn't a gift. All I heard was, we'll be best friends forever. Don't worry. I'll pay you for your phone bill. Don't worry.
What are the terms of the agreement?
The terms of the agreement were, Tiana, I'm going to get you a phone line under my phone company.
Right.
It'll be for 2 years. You have to make sure that you pay me for this phone every month.
And what did she say?
It's fine. We'll be friends forever.
Did you say you would pay her?
I said I would pay her, but I didn't say we were going to be friends forever.
So you decide to give her a phone. You believe she's going to reimburse you every month for the cost of the phone, the basic cost, and then any overages. Mm-hmm. First month, what happens?
Everything was going good. Me and Tiana were still being best friends during that first month. Then everything switched. Slowly, all the other one-letter girls stopped talking to me. All of them started looking at me evil in the hallways. It was just drama starting to happen. Then it popped up. Tiana was going back telling those girls one thing, telling me another thing, basically turning them against me.
Why? Why would she do that if you just got her a phone?
I have no idea.
Why would you do that?
That's not what happened at all. She was going around saying things to them, and they knew you were a snake, so they didn't want to talk to you anymore. I had nothing to do with it.
I have a witness here. She witnessed the whole thing. She witnessed Tiana going back and telling them and turning them against me.
I'm sure she witnessed that too when Tiana, she's not
Cardinal.
She's not either of the friends who was in the...
Stop talking. You couldn't resolve this on the outside. Now you're in my courtroom, okay? And I'm here to resolve it. This is not a place to fight. What's your name? Come on up.
Hi, Judge. My name is Misha, or M.
You're all friends. A ends up giving T a phone. How come now we're not friends anymore?
disputes between.
About what? What is everybody fighting for?
It was words, confusion between everyone else in the group or whatever. And
But what are people saying?
I can't say everything, but it was just stuff going back and forth when she didn't come to school and
When who didn't come to school?
when A didn't come to school. And like,
For the suspension, because Tiana had instigating the fight between me and another girl. She basically set it up so me and the other girl would get into an argument. Thus, we fought. I was suspended. The whole time I was suspended, Tiana was at school bad-mouthing me about how we were supposed to be friends, but Tiana was bad-mouthing me. Forget Amber.
How is it that you get suspended for a fight that you're in that you say she set up?
No, because the girl's the one who got in my face. She was telling me like, well, Tiana said that you were telling me that this is this. And I was saying, well, I didn't tell you that. And then it got physical.
What did you do that you got suspended?
We physically fought in a classroom.
Did anybody get seriously hurt?
No.
She go to the hospital?
No.
She bleeding?
Yeah.
Where?
Her face.
With those nails?
Yeah.
Ah, what a shame. What a shame. Are any of you girls planning on going to college?
Yes, I
Yeah.
Good. That's the best thing you've said all day. You know what I'd like to do? I'd like to resolve this. So you can go like this to whatever happened when you were in high school and all the bad blood, and don't you ever scratch anyone again with those fingernails. All right? It's not funny. It's not funny. You're going to end up in jail. You got one record. All you need's another one. You're going to jail. And that's the end of your career. That's the end of college. You're not getting a job. It's over, honey. This is fun stuff. We're BFF and the B's and the T's and the A's. That's all cute. This is the real world. You got arrested again for assault. It's over for you. Now, everybody's talking about everybody else. Can I ask you why you're wasting my time with this petty stuff?
Because I want my money for my phone bill. And I'm also suing her for defamation of character because I have a job that I've been working at for 2 years. And Tiana was bad-mouthing me around my people who work with me. Tiana was bad-mouthing me at school. Tiana was basically running my name through the dirt after
Did you ever
we got
hear
into
Tiana
it.
badmouth her?
yeah, I did.
What did she say?
Calling her whatever and like.
But that's the name of your group.
No, it's different. It's different. It's the way that you put it.
The way I'm looking at the defamation as Tiana was telling people I was harassing her. She was telling people at my job, because her boyfriend works at my job, that I was harassing her. I was having mutual conversation with Tiana. Hello, Tiana. How's your day going, Tiana? In May, Tiana told me, I'll give you your money, but I have to pay for prom.
Tiana, where do you get off getting a phone from her and making her pay for your phone? She's got a bill for the prom too.
Your Honor, I did not have that phone for a month. It was like a couple of days, actually. If we want
And
to
then
get
what'd you
technical,
do with it? Let me see the bill. Let me have some evidence here.
my bill has been in my name since April 24th. It's my first bill. I didn't even have that phone but a couple of days.
Why did you have her go through the trouble of getting you a phone on April 12th and then by April 25th you go get your own phone?
A family member broke my phone and she felt that it was in the best interest to cancel the account.
Suddenly, I called the phone. It went straight to voicemail. It says, my phone's broke. She shows me the phone. The phone's torn in half. The battery's flipped off. I didn't break it.
No, wait a minute. It was a phone that she got for you. Don't tell me you didn't break it. Who broke it?
A family member broke it.
All right, look, I'm going to give you a word of advice. Here's my word of advice. You are moving from high school to college, all three of you. You're lovely. You're articulate. All right. You got bogged down in the high school crap. And that's what it is, crap. And what you need to know about the real world is this. You don't talk about anybody. You don't form any opinions and share those opinions. And you don't say something unless you're ready to come into a court of law and admit that you said it. Because you're going to get sued for harassment or defamation or libel or slander big time. High school is over. Let it go. Whatever you learned about all these B's and the T's and the A's and the, the BFF and all that, put it away. You're adults now. All right. And I think that you've all got a shot at whatever you want. Amber, never touch another human being again. You're going to get yourself in trouble. It's not going to be tolerated. All right. We've got no defamation here. It's a bunch of girls going back and forth and being catty with each other. I'm not going to fine for you for $300. I will, though, force the defendant to pay you $200 for the cancellation fee. I will also force her to pay $156. And that is for that first month's bill. $356 for the plaintiff. Good luck in college.
Thank you.